Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best soldering guns. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best soldering guns. Number 1. Weller D550PK Soldering Gun. We have the Weller 260W and 200W Professional Soldering Gun Kit. This heavy-duty soldering gun is a favorite among professionals for a reason. With its dual heat wattage design, you can easily switch between high and low output using the fingertip trigger. Need to get started quickly? This pistol grip design heats up in just 6 seconds, making it perfect for those time-sensitive projects. The kit comes with 3 tips and solder, all neatly packed in a carrying case for easy storage and portability. If you're looking for reliability and speed, the Weller D550PK is a top contender. But what really sets this soldering gun apart is its durability. Made to withstand even the most demanding jobs, it's no wonder Weller is a trusted name in the industry. Whether you're working on automotive repairs, electronics, or heavy-duty industrial projects, this soldering gun won't let you down. Number 2. Atd Tools Soldering Gun. The Atd Tools 3748-piece dual heat soldering gun kit. This kit is perfect for those who want a complete soldering solution in one package. Housed in a durable blow-molded case, this kit includes everything you need to get started. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to carry, making it ideal for on-the-go repairs. With its dual heat functionality, you can tackle a variety of soldering tasks with ease. Whether you're working on small electronics or larger projects, the Atd Tools 3740 has got you covered. One thing to note is its country of origin, Taiwan. Known for its high-quality manufacturing, this soldering gun is built to last. Plus, at just 4.2 pounds, it's one of the lighter options on our list, making it a great choice for those who need portability without sacrificing performance. Number 3. Dorman Soldering Gun. The Dorman 85369 Soldering Gun Kit. This versatile soldering gun is available in different styles, including pencil tip and gun-held designs, so you can choose the one that suits your needs. With a range of volts and wattages, this kit is suitable for a variety of applications, from household repairs to industrial and commercial uses. It even includes soldering flux and wire, making it a great all-in-one solution. One standout feature is Dorman's ASE Blue Seal certified technical support team. If you ever run into issues or have questions, their experts are just a call away. This level of support is rare in the soldering gun market and makes the Dorman 85369 a reliable choice for both beginners and experienced users. Whether you're fixing a broken wire or working on a complex circuit board, this soldering gun delivers consistent performance every time. Number 4. Lenk Soldering Gun. We have the Lenk WG992 KCS 200/110W soldering gun. This heavy-duty soldering gun is built for those big jobs that require precision and power. One standout feature is the built-in spotlight, which illuminates your work area, making it easier to see what you're doing. The tip heats up in less than 10 seconds, and the quick-change tips can be swapped out in just 30 seconds. With a maximum tip temperature of 1130 degrees Fahrenheit, this soldering gun is perfect for demanding tasks. It's a powerhouse that delivers both speed and efficiency. The kit includes 3 soldering tips: soldering, smoothing, and cutting, along with 1/2 ounce of lead-free solder. Whether you're working on residential projects or heavy-duty repairs, the Lenk WG992 KCS is a reliable and versatile tool. Number 5. Weller D550 Soldering Gun. We have another gem from Weller, the Weller D550 Dual Heat Professional Soldering Gun. Known for their high-quality tools, Weller has designed this soldering gun to withstand even the most demanding jobs. With 260 to 200 watts of power, this heavy-duty soldering gun is ready to use in just 6 seconds. The fingertip trigger allows you to easily switch between high and low output, giving you complete control over your work. One thing that sets Weller apart is their commitment to professional-grade tools. The D550 is designed with the needs of professionals in mind, making it a trusted choice for experts worldwide. Whether you're working on industrial equipment or intricate electronics, this soldering gun delivers precision, power, and durability. It's a tool you can rely on for years to come. Comparison and recommendations. Now that we've covered all 5 soldering guns, let's do a quick comparison to help you decide which one is right for you. If you need speed and durability, the Weller D550PK and Weller D550 are excellent choices. 4. Portability and a complete kit. The Atd Tools 3740 is a great option. If you're looking for versatility and support, The Dorman 85369 has you covered, and for heavy-duty tasks with added visibility, the Lenk WG992 KCS is a standout. Each of these soldering guns has its own strengths, so think about your specific needs and projects when making your choice. And there you have it, 5 amazing soldering guns that cater to a variety of needs and budgets. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, these tools will help you tackle any project with ease. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Got a favorite soldering gun or a project you're working on? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.